Let's go back 50 years. The 60s proved to be a turning point for women's rights. Women were liberated and had the right to decide about their own bodies. In the spirit of this era of free thinking, cosmetic surgery, the child of reconstructive and plastic surgery, opened the way for women to express their own desires and to change the way they lived. It reinforced their newfound freedom for change in cosmetic surgery. An estimated 5 to 10 million women have breast implants worldwide. Currently, roughly 1 million women undergo this type of operation each year. In 1965, Dr. Arion invented the very first inflatable breast implant, comprising a silicone elastomer pouch that was filled with physiological serum once inserted in the breast area. Convinced by the merits of the technique that he had just developed, he patented it in 1965. The relevance of his invention was quickly recognized, adopted, and given financial backing in the USA, culminating in its distribution across the United States. In 1968, he retained exclusivity in both Europe and Canada. The first implant procedure. In 1965, the first implant sterilization procedures were set up. Protection of the osmotic balance was determined during the initial weighing of the implant prior to each operation. At this same period of time, the effects of wear and tear were taken into account. The first effects of wear on the durability of a prosthetic was scientifically tested in a machine specifically designed for this. Based on the 30 years of Dr. Arion's experience, Arion Laboratoires were founded in 1994 by Dr. Ingrid Arion and the current chairman, Jean-Claude Arion.
Les laboratoires Arion sont un institut.
Arion Laboratories constitutes a veritable institution, inspired by the tremendous experience and foresight of my father, Dr. Henri Gilbert Arion, and which we continue to harness and push forward as far as we possibly can.
À porter et à amener le plus loin possible.
The Scientific Council of Arion Laboratories believed that the first-generation silicone implants were no longer sufficiently safe for patients. This type of implant was actually banned in the United States in 1995 and in France in 2001. In the light of this, Arion decided to develop implants filled with physiological serum, or CMC, hydrogel. With their Monoblok hydrogel CMC range, Arion Laboratories are currently the only laboratories to be able to offer a biocompatible alternative to silicone gel implants in line with the highest safety standards. Since 2003, breast implants have a Class 3 classification. In other words, they are in the same category as pacemakers. As such, these products cannot be put on the market without undergoing strict controls. At Arion Laboratories, 100% of our products are controlled. Arion Laboratories. Arion Laboratories are based in Sophia Antipolis, the largest technology park in France, and a global competitiveness centre for the very latest scientific research. Today, Arion Laboratories continue to spearhead innovation, developing the very best range of breast implants with perfect biocompatibility, optimal safety, and an extremely aesthetic result. With over 50 years research and clinical testing experience, Arion Laboratories are at the very cutting edge in terms of technology and safety. Large of production, and it has been 10 years now since we have had this new space. We stand out from other laboratories for innovation with our planetary system, as you can see here. That enables us to achieve regularity in the outer shell and an even coating on the moulds, producing a uniform and palpable implant. Arion's structure, and notably its production unit, combined with its forward-reaching knowledge and human commitment, make this a unique company with an enduring spirit to innovate. The membrane and patch actually merge. Arion breast implants have a patch that extends 900%. The seam and the liquid patch merge with the Our products undergo many tests at the National Test Centre that have shown how very resistant and reliable the patch is compared to other implants on the market. A product that is qualitatively excellent with an exceptional shape retention memory. A top-rate production unit guaranteeing a controlled manufacturing process. International reputation.
L'implant mammaire monoblok des laboratoires.
We're simply harvesting the fruit of our continually expanding expertise. We are the oldest manufacturer of breast implants in the world, and with over 50 years' experience, we inspire total trust and confidence in the surgeons who choose to use them. The culmination of so many years of experience came in 2012 when they received the Prix d'Excellence during the IPRAS ceremonies. Highlighting both a commitment to excellence and innovation, Arion breast implants are synonymous with flawless quality.